Hello again guys, it's me again, Fede Katigbak. Good evening. For now, I create a summary about chapter 9, transport layer. Let's go for it. Chapter 9, transport layer. That's the title. For the section and objective, 9.9 time 9.1 transport layer protocols. It explains how transport layer protocols are services support communication across data network. Explain the purpose of the layer in managing the transport data of the data in end-to-end communication. It explains characteristic of the TCP and the UDP protocols, including port numbers and their uses. 9.2 TCP and UDP. Compare the operations of transport layer protocols in supporting end-to-end communication. It explains how TCP session establishment and termination processes facilitate reliable communication. Explain how TCP protocol data units are transmitted and acknowledged to guarantee delivery. Describe the UDP client process to establish communication with the server. Determine whether high reliability TCP transmission or non-guarantee UDP transmission are be seated for common application. Transport layer protocols for 9.1. The role of the transport layer, it may be responsible for establishing a temporary communication session between two applications and delivering data between them. It link between the application layer and the lower layers that are responsible for a network transmission. There's a picture in the side. It titled enabling application on devices to communicate. There's the application transport internet network access. The transport layer moves data between the application on devices in the network. Transport layer responsibilities. First, the tracking the conversation. Tracks each individual conversation flowing between a source and a destination application. For the segmentation, for the second, it divides the data into segments that are easier to manage and transport. Header use of reassembly is used for tracking. The third is the identifying the application. It ensures that even the multiple application running on a device, all application receive the correct data via port numbers. Conversation multiplexing. Segmenting the data into smaller chunks enables many different communication to be multiplexed on the same network. Segmentation allows the conversation multiplexing. Multiple applications can use the network at the same time. Segmentation facilitates the data transferred by the lower network layers. We are now for the transport layer reliability. The TCP to transport layer protocols. The TCP protocols or what we call TCP. It may consider reliable, which ensures that all the data of the arrives at the destinations. Additional fields needed in header, which increases size and delay. For the user datagram protocol, in short UDP, it does not provide for reliability. Second is the fewer fields and is faster than TCP. TCP transport in similar sending track packages if shipping order is broken up into several packages. Customer can check online to see the order of the delivery. So that's the TCP. So there's three responsibilities of a TCP. So first is the numbering and tracking data segment. Second is the acknowledging data, receive data. Third is the retransmitting any acknowledged data after a certain period of time. So for the UDP, so use UDP for less overhead and to reduce possible delays. Best effort, delivery, and reliable. So no acknowledgement, similar to a non-registered letter. So the right transport layer protocol are for the right application. So for the TCP, databases, web browsers, and email client require that all data is sent arrives at the destination in its original condition. So for the UDP now, if one or two segments of a live video stream fail to arrive, if disruption in the stream may not be noticeable to the user. TCP feature, so establishing a session, so connection oriented protocol, so ensures the application is ready to receive the data. So negotiate the amount of traffic can be forwarded to a given time. So third is the reliable delivery, ensuring that each segment that short ends arrive the destination. So same order delivery, so it numbering the and sequencing the segment guarantees reassembly into the proper order. Flow control regulates the amount of data that source transmits. So TCP header, source, and destination port used to identify the application. Sequence number used for data reassembly. Acknowledgement number indicates data has been received and ready for the next byte from source. So header length is the length of TCP segment header. So control bits purpose and function of the TCP segment. So window size is a number of bytes that can be accepted at once. Checksum used for error checking of segment, header, and data. So UDP features, so there's a topology, there's a IP telephony and streaming video. So features of UDP, so data is reconstructed in the order that it is received. So in any segments lost are not recent. No session establishment does not inform the sender about the resource availability. So UDP header, so UDP is a stateless protocol, so it has no tracking and reliability handled by application. So that's all for now for the summary of the chapter 9. So please don't forget to subscribe, and thank you.